632 kilograms, 517 horsepower engine. It can do a quarter mile in under 10 seconds. Top speed, 290 kilometers per hour. Sleek, stylish, sublime. Bred, born, and raised in the Philippines. You heard it right. For the first time ever, this is arguably the Philippines' only proper supercar in history. And who would have thought that a country known for its food, beaches, and hospitality would finally be synonymous with luxury? Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Aurelio. The Aurelio's got some intercontinental DNA coursing through its system. But make no mistake, it's Filipino through and through. Speed, acceleration, and handling. The Aurelio's got it all. But more than its undeniable performance, the Aurelio is simply pure luxury. It's sexy, edgy, and dangerous. The Aurelio is truly an unprecedented masterful work of Filipino craftsmanship, ingenuity, and innovation. Transcending motorsports, engineering, and art. All the while, capturing the imagination of those who behold it. It's a gutsy move, a bold move, and in this day and age, in this country, a lot of times, that's what we really need. An embodiment of courage and vision. Something that inspires you. Something that one can aspire to. The Aurelio is all that and more. And you know what the best part of that is? We're just getting started. Aurelio, beyond luxury.
All good, all good. Speed time 3 minutes 34 on target. Well done, Peter.